My UML diagram represents a kiosk shopping system. The way a customer would buy a product is by going onto the kiosk form, which then they add products to the basket. Then they have two methods of paying, which can be either in cash or card. And if they want to, they're able to print out a receipt. If you're an admin, you'd have to log in, and the login has username and password, which is read from a text file, and it will take them to an admin page. Then they have the ability, the admin page will firstly display what products are on low on stock, and it has the ability for the user to send orders, add, edit, delete products, and admins. So the main design pattern in my UML is the model view controller, where the admin and products are models, admin data and product data are controllers, and the rest are all views. And it's only the product data and admin data that have the communication between the view and the model. They don't ever overlap. Another design pattern you can see in my UML is the strategy one, which allows the user two ways of paying, and they would have to pick between one of them. And another one is the command pattern, which uses weak aggregation here, where the product data is used to pay. The product data is used to provide information so the user can pay and print a receipt. Also, one creational pattern in my UML is the factory pattern, where it uses the iCRUD interface, and it basically creates two pages where the user is able to add, edit, and delete products and admins. So this is my program for the kiosk shopping system. So if I run it, it opens up with the shopping page, and here the products are read from a text file. So the user can select their products from this combo box here so far. So when you press add to basket, it would add the product to basket, which basically adds it into another array of scanned products. And when you view the basket, you've got what's in the array stated in a text area and with their product ID, barcode, product name, and the price, and you've got your total here. So if you were to pay by card, you press this. So the total that needs to be paid is up here. The customer amount you would insert would be here, and the customer would require to enter a PIN. So let's do let's say we're going to give £3.50 and don't enter a PIN. It would say enter your PIN. But if you enter your PIN but don't give the correct amount, it would say transaction was not successful. But if you do enter the correct amount, it would say contacting bank, verify payment. If you select no, it would not be successful. But if you do press yes, the print receipt button will be enabled, and it will be printing your receipt with the date, kiosk name, your product details, total price, and your payment method. Now let's do an example with paying by card. So let's add apples and oranges again, and buy one more orange. So £5.50. So now we got to pay by cash. So here is the total you'd have to pay, and customer cash is where you would input the change. If you put more, if you paid more, that's what you'll change. Customer cash, let's say £2 now, and it would pop up saying you still have £3.50 to pay, and your total will change to the new amount you'd have to pay. And now let's say £5. You'd pay that, and you've got your change here, and yeah, and you press print receipt, and your receipt is printed. And same format before, but this time payment method is cash and change is £1.50. Now for the admin stuff. So you press here to go to the admin controls and enter credentials. Let's say we did wrong credentials. So let's just do pass. So we press login. It would say not matching credentials. But if you do enter correct credentials, login, it pops up. Now this is the admin page. It displays which products are low on stock. So far we've got oranges, which have stock level 0. So let's enter how much you'd like to buy. Let's buy 5 oranges, and you'll check the price. It'll be £10.50. Send the order, and you've got a message box that pops up to you saying you'll receive a confirmation email soon with an invoice. Okay, exit. Now let's add, delete, edit products. So you've got product ID, which is go 3, and product name kiwi, stock 5, price, let's go £1, yeah. Add new product, and the product has been added. And let's see the text bar. Product list, kiwi has been added here. So now if we were to delete a product, you would literally go on the same thing and select the product you want to delete and delete the product. And if you press no, product has not been deleted. Yes, it has been deleted. And open that up again, and no kiwi. Now let's go update the product or edit it. The oranges, and where's our stock? It's 5. Save updates, and it should, here, it has updated it. And now go onto the admin stuff. So if you want a new admin, you digitally write the credentials for the new admin. So let's go user, password, and the admin has been created, and you should check credentials. So you've got user, password there. And now to delete an admin, you would select which admin you want to delete it, and if it's no, not deleted, you press delete, yes, and it has been deleted. Check here again, and yeah, and it's gone. And if you want to update an admin, select which one you want to update, change password, and update the password, and there we go, it has been updated. Sorry, there we go, password is not there. So, and that's it, that's my program, and it uses text files to read in all the information. Yeah,